Okay, so we got this hand-harvested Saltverk flaky sea salt from Iceland. They sent to us so that we could show it to you. And we're going to make some baked potatoes here in the air fryer.
Yum, yum.
So,
yeah, I already put some avocado oil in the bowl. So, and I always like to, quite a bit of salt because it tastes so good on the potato skins.
right, after we bake the potatoes, then they get all, the skins get all baked and crispy and delicious. And
you just, work the potato around in there, and ooh, I can feel that nice salt getting on there. Oh, that's going to be so yummy.
Delicious!
Yeah. Okay, cool.
But we like using it for a lot of different things. But this is what we're using it for today, so we get crispy potato skins.
Oh, yum, yum, yum.
After we, yep, good stuff. Okay, these are going into our air fryer. You can see all the little salt crystals and oil on there. We're gonna put them in our new, well, not our new air fryer. We've had it for a few months, but we love our air fryer. We use it almost every single day. But we're gonna get our potatoes cooking, and they're gonna be delicious. Yay. Start. Okay, sounds good. Okay, look at these crispity, crunchity potatoes. Just came out of the air fryer, so good stuff. See, you can see the little saltlets all over them.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Are you a potato? Yeah.